One question some of you have had is, I don't have a printer at home, so what should I do with some of these PDFs? Well, a lot of the PDFs are just copies of things that you already have at home in your little tote bag that I sent with you. But some of them are extra things. So I'm going to show you today how you can actually write on a PDF on your computer. So the first thing you need to do is get into your Google Classroom, and you're going to come to your first page, which is this. It's the stream, and then we're going to click on classwork, okay? I'm going to go into science and social studies because I know there's a bunch of PDFs in here, okay? And I'm just going to hit view assignment, and that takes me into my science work. And then over here I have all these PDFs that were assigned to me. So I'm just going to click on the top one, and I've opened it up, all right? Now, I can't do anything on this PDF right now, okay? But if I go over here to these three dots, it says more action. So I'm going to click on that. Well, I'm going to open this document up in a new window, okay? Now, it's brought up the same document, but now it has this little thing up here at the top that says open with, okay? So I'm going to open this document. Now, you have, hopefully, a few choices here. You have Google Docs, which you don't want to do that because it will scramble it completely, and I would prefer you not open it up that way because it'll just be weird for you. You have Lumen PDF, which is my favorite, and then you have Doc Hub. You could either use Lumen PDF or Doc Hub. Both of those will allow you to write on your PDF. I'm just going to go into this Lumen PDF. So I click on it, and it's going to take a few seconds here to boot up. I'm going to hit connect to another account. I want to choose Noah because I'm Noah Plowman. I'm going to say allow. It's going to go through here, and it says, do you want this guy to do these things? I'm going to say, sure, it can do those things. I'm going to hit allow. Okay. Come on through. Here we go. Takes just a couple of minutes for this guy to boot up. And so once it does, you have all these actions at the top that you can do, okay? So, for example, you can type with free text, okay? So this just allows me to draw a box, and I can type in the word here. So I could say, one across, how it feels when the air is a little cold. Well, how's it feel? It feels, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Is chilly a 6-letter word? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It is. So I could type in chilly here. Now, it doesn't match completely on here, and you could make the font bigger if you wanted, or you could just leave it like that, and it would be perfectly fine. But it's still allowing you to type there. Now, if you don't want to type, that's fine. You can delete that, and you can do what I did when I made videos. You can use the freehand style. I probably am not going to use green. I'm going to use black. And this will allow me to just write the words with my mouse. And this will probably be the way that you want to go. Now, you might also be somebody who has a stylus at home, and that makes it really easy to write on a PDF. Okay? The mouse takes some getting used to, but you can fill it in that way. And then what you would do is you would just hit share, and it's going to share this document, and Noah owns it, so he might want to share it with me. So he would just type in cplowman@gcak12.org, and then he could send it to me. See, it pops up my name. And I would be able to see his answers, okay? Now, that's one way that you can work on these documents without having to print them off. If you have any questions, let me know.